Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 snipping tool notifications not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Notifications. Turn on notifications. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Snipping Tool, click Advanced Options. Click Repair. If same error still exists, click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.